YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy back here with Al McKinney.
Hi guys.
And as you can tell, we're in an Uber on our way back to the house. So what do we have today? What kind of fruit are we eating?
Today we have a fruit called Jabuticaba.
Jabuticaba.
Yes.
And we're gonna try it. Now, have you had this before?
Yes, I have this before and I love it.
Oh, she's had it before.
Yes,
See,
I had it.
I've never had this. It looks like a baby. Well, it looks like a super big grape. That's what it looks like.
The way you eat, you just bite.
Just bite?
Yeah, and eat what they have inside.
Oh boy, I said I have no idea what's inside. It could be seeds, it could be a gremlin.
See.
Wow. Okay.
Don't eat the seeds.
No. That thing just burst in my mouth like a starburst or a freshen up. There's a seed.
Yeah.
That's a big seed too. Okay.
Don't eat the peel.
Don't?
No.
All right.
Yeah, you can bite, but don't.
Oh, sorry about that. I lost her for a second. Okay, so you don't eat the peel.
Don't eat the peel.
Okay.
One more?
No.
No?
Okay.
1 to 10.
Well, first, the outside was tough. The inside was like a grape.
Okay. You think?
Very sweet. Big seed in it.
Yeah.
Can't eat the peel. The peel actually was very sour.
Yes. Very sour, the peel.
Now, you're not supposed to eat it. Why?
I don't know why. We just don't eat.
You just
I don't know if somebody else is it, but my family, we don't eat the peel.
Okay, I wouldn't mind eating the peel, but you know what? I'm gonna do my research on that to see if we can eat the peel. So, scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
You know what? I'm gonna give this a 9.
Not yet.
Brazil, you're finally waking up. You got the good fruit here. Finally. Man, after I don't know how many taste tests we've done, and I can't pronounce the name. I don't know if we grow this in America.
Jabuticaba.
Chicaba.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think it is?
I love it.
Okay. So it looks like a huge grape. I believe it's native to Brazil only?
Yes, it's native.
So that is a native fruit here. I give it a 10.
Oh, this is awesome.
On the next one.